Hello everyone, Koneko here and welcome to Kittynyanyao's channel. For today's video, you will be unboxing Nendoroid 492 Rider Medusa from the Fate series, made by Good Smile Company. Feel free to subscribe to see more unboxing videos, and hit that like button and bell button for you to be updated for a new video upload. Hope you'll enjoy the video! Like all Nendoroids, they come with a manual, especially with Nendoroids who has lots of extra accessories like Rider here. Manuals can also be a guide on how many accessories your figure has. For example, Rider has an accessory behind the inner box. Good Smile Company is promoting a new stand for Nendoroids. Rider Medusa comes with an extra faceplate, her eye cover, two pieces of her nameless daggers attached with long chains. An extra right arm with a detachable gripping hand. Extra left arm number 1 with a detachable gripping hand. Extra left arm number 2. Extra left arm number 3. And one extra bent leg. Overall, Ryder has 2 right arms and 4 left arms. This is known as her summoning circle when she calls upon Pegasus. The material is plastic with a removable seal. Same as the new Nendoroids, Ryder comes with a square, clear base for the stand. Stand support, spare joint, support for her magic circle, and its base. The figure itself consists of black with fuchsia pink design boots, black undies, black lower half of the dress with the hole on the back for her stand support, and her upper part with a choker, default arms, and her bust. Ryder is known for her lovely long purple hair. For this figure, even the sides of her front hair has pegs. Her default faceplate, the back of her hair, which includes the neck joint mechanism, for her front hair portion, designing her widow's peak, pegs on the sides, and indented lines inside her hair for her eye cover. She looks so cool. Now let's try putting her extra arms and weapons. To know where a specific arm is located, the silver button on her arm belts can be used as guides. I do advise you not to push forcefully the weapons on the hands. Just slide it in starting from the tip. Here I'll be putting extra right arm and extra left arm number 1. Now I'll remove the gripping hands on the extra left arm number 1 and put it on extra left arm number 3. Next, we will be using extra left arm number 2 and we will be needing her default hand. I will be returning her default right arm. And lastly, to complete the pose, let's use her extra leg. I will also now change her faceplate to have the full effect. Thank you for watching.